Hello scholars, today we will do theme and practice exercise from the student book. Kids, here we have to do the addition by using number line. And kids, I hope you all of you know how to do the addition by using number line, right? Yes, so let's start this one. 32 plus 4. Here we have to start from number 32 on the number line and move forward 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reach at number correct 36 and that is our answer. 32 plus 4 equal to 36. 76 plus 3. So start from number 76 on the number line and move 3 places forward because here we are doing addition. So we have to move forward. 1, 2, 3. We reach at number 79. It means 76 plus 3. The answer is 79. 59 minus 6. It's here we have to do the subtraction by using number line. So again we have to start from number 59 here, but we have to move 6 places backward for this because here we are doing subtraction. So we have to move backward 6 places. Okay. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We reach at number 53 and that is our answer. 59 minus 6 equal to 53. 95 minus 5. Start from number 95 and move backward. Right. Move backward 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We reach at number 90. So 95 minus 5 equal to 90. Add the following. 4 plus 42. First add the numbers from the ones place. 4 plus 2. Stretch out 2 fingers and start counting after 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Then add the numbers from the tens place. Here there is no number, it means there is 0. So 0 plus 4 equal to 4. So here 4 plus 42 is 46. 23 plus 54. First we have to add the numbers from the ones place. 3 plus 4. Kids, stretch out 4 fingers and start counting after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then add the numbers from the tens place. 2 plus 5. Stretch out 5 fingers and start counting after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 equal to 7. So 23 plus 54, the answer is 77. Kids, there are total 3 addition sums in add the following. I have explained you 2 sums. The rest one sum you take it as a homework and you have to do by yourself. Subtract the following. 75 minus 35. First subtract the numbers from the ones place. 5 minus 5 is right. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then 7 minus 3. So kids, you have to stretch out 7 fingers and you have to subtract 3. How many fingers left? Right, 4. So 7 minus 3 equal to 4. 89 minus 47. First do the subtraction. 9 minus 7. Kids, you have to stretch out 9 fingers and subtract 7. So how many fingers left? Correct. 2. So 9 minus 7 is 2. Then 8 minus 4. Stretch out 8 fingers and you have to subtract 4. How many fingers left? Correct. 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 89 minus 47. Answer is 42. Kids, here also again there are 3 sums of subtractions. I have shown 2 sums. One sum you have to do by yourself. The length of Rohan's, Rahul's and Umang's pencils are measured using paper clips. Look at the pictures below and answer the following statements as true or false. So kids, here there are 3 pencils of Rohan's, Rahul's and Umang's. So first we have to measure the length of these pencils. So the Rohan's pencil is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clips long. Rahul's pencil is 1, 2. 2 clips long. And Umang's pencil length is 1, 2, 3. 3 clips long. Okay. Now let's see here the statements and we have to see which statement is true and which statement is false. Umang's pencil is longer than Rohan's pencil. So here is Umang's pencil and here is Rohan's pencil. Kids, is this statement right? No, because Umang's pencil is shorter than Rohan's pencil. So here we have to write false. Then the next statement, Rahul's pencil is shorter than Umang's pencil. So here is Rahul's pencil and here is Umang's pencil. Yes, the statement is right. Rahul's pencil is shorter than Umang's pencil. It is true. So here we have to write true. Then third statement, Rohan's pencil is shorter than Rahul's pencil. Here is Rohan's pencil and here is Rahul's pencil. Yes, the statement is false. Correct? So here we have to write false. Then the fourth statement, Rahul's pencil is the shortest. Yes, here is the Rahul's pencil and this pencil is the shortest. It is true. So write here true. The last statement, Umang's pencil is the longest. Kids, here is the Umang's pencil. Is it longest? No, actually Rohan's pencil is the longest pencil. So this statement is false. So you have to write there false. Samina brought 16 toffees. Then she brought 5 more. She gave 4 toffees to her brother and 4 toffees to her cousin. How many toffees are left with her? So kids, Samina had how many toffees? 16. So first we will write here 16. Then she brought 5 more. So we have to add 5 more in that 16 toffees. Okay. So 16 plus 5 equal to, correct, 21. So Samina had 21 toffees. Then from that 21 toffees, she gave 4 toffees to her brother. So we have to subtract that one. 21 minus 4 and the answer is 17. Then from that 17 toffees, she gave 4 toffees to her cousin. So we have to subtract again 4. So 17 minus 4. The answer is 13. Then 13 toffees are left with her.